How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. We are in Dunsmuir, California, or better known for Mount Shasta, which sits just a few miles away from where we're staying at here in Dunsmuir. This evening, our first food spot that we're gonna check out tonight is a place called La Perla de Nayarit Mexican restaurant. Looked at some of the restaurants around this area and this one caught my eye, so I am thoroughly excited to check this place out. It's Mexican food. Gonna check out some of the items they have in the menu, the Mochajete, Morisco seafood Mochajete. I'm excited to showcase and share all the food, the sights in this video for you today. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. You'll find more food related content on here. And with that, I'm going to show you everything in this video right now. This is the little cabin in the woods that we're staying at here in Dunsmuir. And I've already noticed the outdoor scenery with all the wood, the woody areas. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Came up here with a camper van, of course. All right, let's get ready to go to La Perla. All right, we made it to our location, the La Perla de Nayarit Mexican restaurant. So let's go. I'm here at La Perla de Nayarit. I can't do the words. Okay, so Vivian, what is this place known for?
They have been in business for the last 5.5 years.
5.5 years
yeah,
here.
they are family owned
Oh,
and
family owned, operated.
Me and her are the only ones that aren't related to them.
Oh,
And,
just specifically Mexican cuisine or like?
well, even our hamburgers are very popular as well.
Yeah.
A lot of people order
Yeah,
those, and a lot of people say they're better than most burger places that they
And the drink too, you told me about the
yeah,
margarita.
the fresh margaritas and our flavored margaritas.
Okay.
We have a lot of people from Mount Shasta and from Castella and Lakehead come up just to eat here.
Oh, nice. Okay, excited to try the food here. Thank you.
Dip.
Okay, so I got what they consider one of their popular margaritas here at La Perla. Oh yeah, that's like fruity. I love this, the salt rim. It's with agave, citrusy, the lime. What you would get from a margarita. Hi, hola. Hola. Gracias, gracias.
Okay, gracias.
Yeah.
Here's our fish tacos.
Oh, right on. Yeah. Wow. Forgot about that.
Our pescar and our asada.
Oh, okay, thank you. So Sappy got the burger, and she's just gonna go ahead and go for it too. Look at that burger. That's huge.
That's huge for a kid's meal.
Yeah, take a bite of that. How is it?
Good.
Yeah.
It's juicy.
And she has mentioned not only just Mexican food, but burgers too. So let's give it a bite. Quick bite. And bite. You know what? I like that bun. inside the meat, the lettuce, tomato, and cheese. That's good too, but for some reason here, I think that bun sticks out more than anything. Oh yeah. So we got a number of items here, but before I get to the main event, which is the Mochajete, I do want to try the tacos that they serve here at La Perla. And the first taco I want to go ahead and try is that asada. With the asada, I'm going to go ahead and add that chile verde. So I'm going to just give that a good drizzle. I'm going to grab up. Oh yeah, you can feel that tortilla is just like nice and tortilla-ish. You could just tell that I wouldn't be surprised if they did, if that's fresh masa. And bite. Wow. And like the burger, what sticks out for me is that tortilla. But the asada in here, nice cubes of asada, slightly chewy, lean, coupled with the cilantro and onions. And that's pretty much it. The asada, cilantro, and onions. And I added that green chile verde. Mild spicy really, not too spicy. So, but yeah, that tortilla is definitely a winner. This next taco I picked up right here, this is a fish taco. And it looks like it's grilled fish. Not sure what kind of fish they use, but you see here a cabbage, maybe pico de gallo, the tomatoes, cilantro and onions, and a orange sauce. And bite. Yeah, that's a complete texture difference from the asada. This one, this fish just kind of crumbles in your mouth. Might be tilapia. I love tilapia if it is. Love the texture from the cabbage and the tomatoes and the sauce variation they have in there. Like a mild, creamy based sauce. Okay, those are the tacos here at La Perla. Alright. I'm gonna go get started here with the Mochajete. And yeah, we've been here before and I'm happy to be back again as far as trying that Mochajete. Oh yeah, just take a look at that sauce. And awesome because I was able to actually see how he kind of made it. I was able to see him pour that into the lava bowl as it just like steamed and sizzled and boiled hot. And oh yeah, oh so fantastic. Okay, first I'm gonna just try that broth, like just that stewy broth first. Okay, it's been a while, but I'm happy to be having this again on this food tour in Dunsmuir. And sip or slurp. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, completely again. All about that spicious sauce broth, creamy. All the senses combined: sweet, salty, savory, spicy. Yeah, that broth has it all. All right, so let's get going here now. I'm gonna go ahead and have that Mochajete, try some of that. I think I have a clam on here, and I'm just gonna combo that with that fish. Let me just get right to it right now. I remember doing this before. It was like a, you know, you can dip it or you can put it in a tortilla. Let me actually maximize this bite by putting all kinds of stuff on top of that too. Maybe I see a mushroom. They got a camaron, that shrimp, and I put that might be cactus, bell pepper or cactus, one of those. Okay, and we're chasing it with this tortilla. And bite, big bite. The temperature hot, man. I'm glad I didn't burn myself because that would have been disastrous. But the flavor, the texture, that Mochajete, absolutely a lava bowl of sheer proportion. Legendary lava bowl, the Mochajete, that stew, that broth, the mariscos, the seafood Mochajete. So real quick, let's go ahead and do a navigation. I just had the fish, I had a clam, yeah, mushrooms. They have mussels, shrimp, the camaron. I think that's about it, huh? Yeah, I think that was like a bell pepper too. I thought it was cactus, but it was actually bell pepper. And they have a jalapeno here. Ooh, I see a tentacle. So that means there's squid in here, or octopus. I had that on my spoon right now. And I'm gonna actually chase this bite with the jalapeno. So, I'm gonna actually put this green, ooh, look at that. Green onion right over here. I'm just gonna drench this tortilla inside of the Mochajete. Yeah, just get in there. Get in. Yeah, Get it? You see that? All right, okay. And bite. Ooh, and it's still hot though. Ooh, oh. I said I was gonna take a bite of jalapeno, so let's go. Man. And the cheese, I forgot to mention there's cheese on here too. And onions. Bite. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. That's got some heat to it. I mean, I've been going for a few minutes and it's still like hot. I mean, like seriously, that heat. What is that called?
A cuba.
A cuba.
It has pineapple juice, salt, a little bit of mango, a little bit of sangria, and
Thank you. Oh, that's kind. Really kind of them to bring about this drink here, which I think it's a good time to have a sip because my mouth is burning from that scalding heat. And sip. Oh wow. Yeah, fruity, like a slight hint of the alcohol, the tequila, refreshing drink, that's for sure. Yeah.
Nice kick.
Yeah.
It's got punch.
Let me get down to business right here. Yeah, I'm gonna make this count. I'm gonna make this bite count like it hasn't counted before. Oh my god. Oh, well, I'm not gonna eat that shell. Look at that mountain. Oh, okay, let's do this. And bite. Wow. Yeah, talk about your mouthful of like Mochajete goodness right there. Fish, the clam, the shrimp. What else did I put on there? The bell pepper, the mussel. Yeah, just an abundant, awesome bite. And it wasn't as scalding hot. I believe if I probably had it in the beginning, that size, I probably would have burned everything. Look at all those clams. Loving it, loving it. This is absolutely a must order here. Bite. I say that's like three spoons left. Uno, dos, and lastly, with the jalapeno, stem and all, and bite. And that'll do it. Just finished here at La Perla. Yeah, everything was delicious. Everything was great. Just gonna go ahead and finish it off here because we're about done here. It's kind of nighttime now. We're trying to get back to our cabin. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Our first spot here in Dunsmuir, Mount Shasta food tour. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing.
Cheers.
Later.